Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView drawing tools. First, locate the Drawing Tools menu, typically found on the left side of your chart interface. From there, you can select a basic tool like the trend line or a horizontal line. Once chosen, simply click on your chart to set the starting point, then drag to define its length or position. It's a straightforward process to begin marking up your charts effectively. After placing a drawing, you can easily customize its appearance. Double-click on the tool or use the floating toolbar to adjust properties like color, line thickness, and style. You can also add text labels for notes or extend lines to infinity to highlight key levels. Saving your favorite settings as a template will streamline your workflow, allowing you to apply consistent styles with just one click. TradingView offers advanced drawing tools for more in-depth analysis. Dive into Fibonacci retracement and projection tools to identify potential support and resistance areas based on price movements. You can also use geometric shapes, such as rectangles or ellipses, to highlight specific chart patterns. For a cleaner workspace, group multiple drawings together, making it simpler to move or hide them as a single unit. To maximize your effectiveness, consistently use drawing tools to identify crucial support and resistance levels on your charts. Regular practice is key to developing a keen eye for patterns and improving your overall charting accuracy. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive these tools become. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.